There goes another craftonaut. I see them. Just floating. In the craftiverse, in the craftiverse, in the craftiverse.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of I Like to Make Things on Saturday. Today I'm making a birthday card for my sister. Why not you make something too? Oh yeah. Ah boy. Enjoy. Look what I'm doing here. Amazing. I'm recycling some more birthday cards. This gives them kind of a nice professional touch. After all that work, yep, snacks. Let's get it! What do you think I should start the card with?
We love you.
We love you. We love you. We love you.